What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. I was gonna film this workout video outside, but it's raining, so not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna use my garage, and as you can see, I got the Liebert dip bars behind me, so we're gonna be doing some dips today and also some rows. I'll show you guys how to do those if you guys have the bars. If not, you can always do the dips on the edge of a chair or a bench or anything like that. And this is gonna be a pretty quick home workout. Quarantine home workout, because I know most of us are probably stuck inside and the gyms are closed. So this is something you can do that's very simple, very easy, and from the comfort of your own home. So let's get into it. I haven't warmed up yet, so I'm just gonna do a little warming up. And comment down below if you guys are following along, where you guys are from and what the current state of your situation is. I'm in Arizona and it hasn't got that crazy yet, but I know LA, New York, big cities, it's pretty crazy. So I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, let's go. So we did dips, we did the rows with the Liebert fitness bars, and we did some squats. And I'm gonna grab a paint bucket and do some more squats with that. I don't know how heavy this is, but probably 25 pounds, maybe a little more. You gotta get creative with what you got. Back to the dips. Whoa! Don't do what I just did. I'm trying to find something smaller to hold that's just as heavy. Imagine if this paint spilled on me right now. That would suck. I never do these, but you can also do some jumping jacks. Keep the blood moving. 25, we're going for 50. I lost count. I think I'm at 43. Man, going non-stop, it gets you tired. Hope you guys can see this. Try to move it back a little bit. Doesn't look too visible on the camera. If only I had some kettlebells, that'd be really clutch. These squats with this bucket and then pushing up at the top, it's burning the shoulders. Here we go. Let's go. Starting our fourth set. All right, that's 4 sets done. We got 1 more to go. Puts you at 50 reps total for all these exercises. That's a fail. Laugh at me all you want. I'm laughing at myself too. Oh boy, I'm tired. Oh, you guys see that lightning? Good thing I didn't stop filming yet. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm too tired to talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. And like I said before, comment down below what state you guys live in and what your current situation is. And I would love to hear your feedback. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.